Hello folks, Chef Santa here. Tonight we're making quesadilla with beef, mushrooms, onions, broccoli rabe, cheese, and then we're going to top it with sour cream, homemade salsa, and avocado. This is it before I put the broccoli rabe on. Okay, here's the broccoli rabe on it. And now we're going to top it with another low carb tortilla. And we're going to definitely put some cheese on it. Okay. Now I'm going to put it in the oven at 450 for 15 minutes to melt the cheese that's inside and melt the cheese that's outside. Then I'll give you a picture of it when I'm finished. Hello folks, this is Chef Santa. I'm back. As you can see, I have the melted cheese. Inside is the broccoli and the ground beef. Gotta make more salsa. Anyway, we're gonna smear the salsa. Then we're gonna put a little avocado on here. And a little bit of sour cream. With that, again, I have the quesadilla with ground beef, mushroom, onion, and some broccolini, or what I call broccoli rabe. And then I put the top with some cheese, some fresh made salsa, some fresh avocado, sour cream. With that, as I always say, ho ho ho, go keto. Have a great evening and a great weekend.